Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Mac's hardware: CPU, 64-bit EFI, RAM, and free disk space. Once done, back up everything with Time Machine or a full clone so you can revert if needed. Next, download the official Tahoe installer from a trusted source and use Create-Install Media to make a bootable USB. Make sure the USB is formatted as Mac OS Extended, journaled with GUID. That gets you past most initial blockers and moves straight into patching. You'll now apply the patcher and required kernel extensions. First, run the patcher on the USB installer to inject legacy kexts and firmware overrides. This enables unsupported GPUs and controllers. Once patched, install the custom EFI to the USB so the Mac sees the patched bootloader. Make sure NVRAM variables are set to allow unsigned kernels and disable secure boot features if present. Take your time here. Mistakes at this stage cause boot loops, so validate each injected file and checksum. Boot the Mac from the patched USB and select Install, target the prepared volume, and let the installer complete. Once installed, do the post-install steps. Apply the same patches to the internal drive's EFI, copy kexts to /library/extensions, and rebuild the kernel cache. Reboot and confirm driver's load. If you encounter a boot failure, reset NVRAM and try safe mode to isolate the faulty kext. If problems persist, reapply the specific kext causing the panic or restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.